Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Juanfi. First, plug in the Juanfi device and wait for the LED to flash blue, which means it is ready. Open the app, follow the on-screen prompts to add a new device, select your 4 GHz network, and enter your Wi-Fi password. Stay patient during updates and keep the device near your router until setup completes. Open the Juanfi app and sign in with your new account details, keeping Bluetooth enabled for pairing. Tap Add Device, choose your model from the list, and follow the step-by-step prompts to join your 4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Approve any firmware updates and wait. Updates can take several minutes. Once paired, test basic controls in the app to confirm responsiveness and finalize any If pairing fails, try moving the Juanfi device within 3 meters of your router to improve signal strength. Restart your router and power cycle the device, then attempt setup again, ensuring you selected the 4 GHz network. If problems continue, check that your password is correct and that no MAC filtering blocks the device. Use the app's diagnostic tools to view logs and reach out to support if needed for guided help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.